Hello friends. Welcome to Prod Hut channel. Is your question is, can I use vacuum cleaners on wood floors? Then the answer is yes. Vacuum cleaners are devices that can be used to clean wood floors. Vacuum cleaners are powerful devices used for cleaning the floors, carpets, and other surfaces like windows to provide effective cleaning. Despite it being an item of luxury, they have entered most households with their efficient functioning. They are used for cleaning multiple surfaces ranging from carpets to tiles. Among the various surfaces it can clean, wooden surfaces are one of them. Wooden surfaces are made up of high quality wood materials that can be usually categorized into soft and hardwood. Both these floors are similar to the standard tile-based floors in terms of thickness and quality. But when you have a wooden floor, there are bound to be particular crevices that might occur over time. So cleaning them using a regular broom will be less effective when compared to vacuum cleaners. Suitable features. Any vacuum cleaners can remove the fine dust particles on the wooden flooring with good action power regardless of the wood quality. But in the current market, there are different types of vacuum cleaner models available. If you are searching for a model that works well with the wooden floors, consider the extra features below. Even though ordinary vacuum cleaners might work well on a wooden floor, these additional features can make it a better option. There are multiple brush models available in a vacuum cleaner, like multi-surface and parquet model brushes. The parquet model comes with a brush-like structure on the base that allows proper cleaning on wooden floors. They are suitable for wooden floors as they do not leave any scratches and also ideal for loose model floors. Regardless of the suction power, the brushes provide a space between the floor and the suction holder. This, in turn, will prevent unwanted scratches. The next important feature that needs to be considered is suction power. Most vacuum cleaners nowadays come along with a standard suction power to adjust them according to the cleaning requirement. For wooden floors and other loose floors, the suction power is low, and for marbles or fixed floors, the suction lower can be higher. Both these features should be considered while purchasing a vacuum cleaner for wooden floors. Just remember that the other models will be suitable for cleaning wooden floors, but the one with low suction power and parquet brush will be perfect for cleaning. How to use the vacuum on wooden floors? So when you are using a vacuum cleaner on a wooden floor, specific steps are to be followed. Vacuuming might seem like a simple job for most people, but in reality, effective vacuuming requires proper knowledge and experience. Let us now take a look at them. Reduce the suction power to medium if your wooden floors are not correctly placed. Do not wipe the surface. Dry surfaces are better for vacuuming unless you are using a wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Use the parquet brush to clean the surface. Avoid multipurpose brushes as they might result in scratches and damage to the wood. Vacuum cleaners are mainly used for cleaning your home. But using the correct tools and accessories will make the job more efficient and more accessible. So for a wood surface, follow the above ideas and make your home or office look sparkly clean. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel.